Hi guys, this is the second video for difference of square factorizations. So we can see square, a big square and a small square. So it's basically difference of squares. I have given some numbers here like square numbers like 25 and 9, which is 5 square minus 3 square, and it is 16 of course. But 16 can be written as 8 times 2, and 8 is actually 5 plus 3 and 2 is 5 minus 3. Okay, so now look at this example 16 minus 9. 16 is 4 square and 9 is 3 square, which is 7. But how to get 7 from 4 and 3? Super easy. 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 3. If you multiply their sum and difference, so it's actually sum times the difference. So now if you take x square minus 9 as example, we can see x plus 3 and x minus 3 is the factorization of x square minus 9. Okay, you can see how you can get x square plus 3x minus 3x minus 9. If you apply distributive property, simplify, you're gonna get x square minus 9, which is x square minus 3 square, and the factorization is x plus 3 x minus 3. Let's take some examples to understand it better. So we can have fraction examples or some other examples. Let's say x square minus 36. So you can see x square is already in the form of square, okay, of x times x. So it's x power 2 minus 6 power 2. Remember, there should be square on both ends and minus in the middle. Okay, and we can add them and we can subtract them in two parentheses one by one. So x plus 6 and x minus 6. So that's the factorization of x square minus 36. Okay, we can have more examples, so watch it carefully and you may pause it and take some notes if you want. So 4x square minus 9. It's not simple, but it is not a difficult one. So guys, first you convert 4x square into 2x power 2, because 2 power 2 is 4 and 9 is 3 square. Now you got the squares and the numbers inside the parentheses will be added and subtracted, you know that. So like x plus 3 x minus 3, we are going to just focus on the numbers inside the parentheses, under the squares I mean. So let's factorize it. So 2x plus 3, that is the sum, and the difference is 2x minus 3. Very simple. First you convert in squares and then you add and subtract. Okay, so you can verify. 2 times 2 is 4x square, 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, of course it is negative 9 because we have opposite numbers, positive and negative. So always check when you write your answers. Okay, let's take some more examples and you can have a better understanding. We can have some fractional examples also, like of numerator and denominator. For example, 4x square over 9 minus 25 over 16. I'm taking square numbers. Okay, so convert 4x square over 9 into the square of 2x over 3. Okay, because 3 square is 9 and 2x square is 4x square. 25 is 5 square, 16 is 4 square. That's the important step. You have to do it. And then simple. Make sure you convert it properly. 25 5, 16 with 4, 4 2 and 3. And now you can just add and subtract. So 2x over 3 plus 5 over 4, that is the sum. What is the difference? 2x over 3 minus 5 over 4. So once you convert in the squares, the job is easy. Let's try one more in fractions. So the 3 examples we discussed so far. Let's take the 4th example. Again, in the fractional form I'm going to take, let's say 25 over 9 x square minus 49 over 81 y square. Now all are square numbers, you need to identify and then convert into the squares. Okay, so 25 over 9 is 5 over 3. Okay, x is, you know that, 5 over 3x square minus 7 over 9 y and then square. So we got the squares on both ends, minus in the middle, so it's simple. Add and subtract. 5x over 3 plus 7y over 9 in one parenthesis, and second 5x over 3 minus 7y over 9. Okay, you can check it just in case. So keep trying. Thank you.